ChatGPT maker OpenAI planning to release a new open-source language model. ChatGPT maker OpenAI is gearing up to make a significant move in the world of artificial intelligence, AI, development by releasing a new open-source language model. This comes as open-source AI models gain momentum, posing a challenge to industry giants like Google and OpenAI. This development comes weeks after a leaked letter from a senior engineer at Google also acknowledged the progress made by open-source AI tools and its direct threat to Google and OpenAI. The specifics of OpenAI's upcoming open-source model remain undisclosed. However, it is not expected to directly compete with the flagship ChatGPT. Instead, it is anticipated to contribute to the growing ecosystem of open-source AI. OpenAI's generative AI gained significant momentum when it launched ChatGPT to the public. This triggered a race among tech companies, with Google quickly announcing its own Bard chatbot. Meta Platforms, not wanting to be left behind, granted academics access to advanced machine learning models capable of understanding conversational language. These models were then transformed into open-source software, leading to the development of free alternatives to ChatGPT and other proprietary AI software. How is open-source AI better? The rapid advancement of free AI models has brought them to a level of performance that is comparable to proprietary models from Google and OpenAI. As a result, many software developers are expected to choose open-source alternatives. The availability of free alternatives empowers developers and researchers worldwide, democratizing access to cutting-edge technology and driving further advancements in the field. Google senior engineer believes open-source AI will overtake ChatGPT, Bard. The leaked letter from a Google senior software engineer further emphasizes the rise of open-source models, particularly in natural language processing, NLP. The engineer argues that the open-source community has made significant progress, solving major NLP problems at a faster rate than large tech companies like Google and OpenAI. The engineer highlights advancements such as low-rank adaptation, LoRa, which reduces the cost and time of model fine-tuning. The letter suggests that Google and OpenAI should pay more attention to the work being done by the open-source community and prioritize enabling third-party integrations. While Google and OpenAI may still hold a slight edge in terms of language model quality, the gap is closing rapidly, and open-source models are becoming increasingly capable, customizable, and privacy-focused. To adapt to this new reality, the engineer recommends that companies collaborate with outside researchers and prioritize third-party integrations. The letter suggests that companies should focus on creating small variants of models that can be easily updated, rather than relying on resource-intensive giant models.